What's up, YouTube? I'm Promise Keeper. I'm sitting in my 2018 F-150 3.5 liter V6 with the EcoBoost. When we start this up, the engine has to be cold, but the outside temperature does not matter. When we start it up fresh in the morning, 9 times out of 10, we will get a really distinct rattle. I don't know if I should just blame it on the exhaust as, the engine tries to balance itself out. It does seem to depend on how warm the engine is, because if we drive 5 minutes up the road, we jump out to go into the store, we come out of the store, start it up, we're not going to hear the rattle again. So cold engine, rattle. Warm engine, not so much. If it's 0 degrees outside, the rattle doesn't get any worse. If it's 100 degrees outside, the rattle doesn't get any better. So I can't be the only one. F-150's been like the best-selling truck for 1,000 years. Listen to the clips after this, and if you know what it is, give me some help. The dealership has had this in their possession before to fix some other random things. I'd have to believe if they heard it and it was concerning, they would have brought it up, because everything was under warranty, even the manufacturer's warranty at that point. So money in their pocket for more work. Tell me what you think.